Hey guys, this is an MG7720 Canon printer, and I just want to show you how to remove a printhead on it. So you're going to turn the printer on, you're going to open the front cover, and then we're going to wait for the stop button to turn on right there. So as soon as that's lit, we're going to press it and hold for about 5 seconds. And then when that carrier starts moving, now the screen says the printhead holder has moved to the head replacement position. So now we're going to remove all the ink cartridges. And then pull this tab forward like so. So here's the printhead. We're going to, once we pull the tab forward already, we're going to grab by this middle wall right there and just kind of lean it like this here and pull it out. Here we go. Like that. And this is the printhead. Oops, sorry. On this printer, it's, you can see that QY6 number 0083. Now to put it back in, also pull the tab out, and we're gonna put it into those slots. Make sure you do not force it in there. So just like that, and it just falls into place. And push this forward, and then you can just go ahead and close the front cover and wait for it to ask for the ink cartridges. So that's how you replace the printhead on there. Watch our other videos on how to clean them. Sometimes just cleaning the bottom of the printhead is good enough with some window cleaning solution or so. But here we have the printer asking for the ink cartridges. So that's pretty much how you replace that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.